Hi, hello guys, this is Vijay, chemistry lecturer from Aileba Junior College. As you know that we have started our NEET series. Based on that, we are discussing about each and every chapter in detail, along with there are few practice numericals. Okay, so in that category today we are going to discuss about unit 2 atomic structure. There are few numericals. Let's start. Look at this question guys. Which of the following is not permissible arrangement of electrons in an atom? So here are four different sequence given with different values of principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number and the spin quantum number. Let us see how to solve this problem. So according to this question, you see option B. So here the m value, that is equal to 2l plus 1. That means what? L is equal to 2 and m is equal to 5. So L is equal to 2 and m is equal to 5. Okay. These values for m, that would be, so m value, that is 5, ml value we are going to write. So ml value, that could be 5, that is nothing but 0 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. Therefore, L is equal to 2 and m cannot have the value of minus 3. M value could not be minus 3. So that is wrong. So according to this particular question, this is not permissible. I mean, option B is the right answer. Now let us go for the next question. Look at this question guys. Maximum number of electrons in a subshell of an atom, that is determined by the following. Here are four different formulae given. Let us see the right answer. So according to this question, you see the number of subshell. The number of subshell 2l plus 1. Yes, number of subshell. The maximum number of the electron present in the subshell. We are going to use the formula, that is 2 into 2l plus 1. That is nothing but 4l plus 2. Okay. So according to this particular question, option D is the right answer. Now let us go for the next question. Look at this question guys. Consider the following sets of quantum number. Here are different quantum numbers value given, n value, l value, m value and s value. Which of the following sets of quantum number is not possible? Here are four different options given. Let us see which one of the following set is not going to be possible. Okay. So according to this question, you see option B is not possible. Let us see how it is. So here you see the L varies from 0 to, the L value that varies from 0 to n minus 1. So L value is varying from 0 to n minus 1. Therefore, n is equal to 2. Yes, and L can have the value 0, 1, 2. Okay. In case of that, in this particular option, in case of second series, second set. Similarly, fourth set, if you see the same question, it is also not possible because L is equal to 0. Similarly, m is equal to 0. And you can see the fifth one also, which is also not possible. There you can see L value is equal to 2 and m varies from, m should be varies from minus 2 to plus 2. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. Okay. So according to this particular question, option B is the right answer. Now let us go for the next question. Now look at this next question guys. The ions of O2 minus, F minus, Na plus, Mg2 plus and Al3 plus, which are isoelectronic, their ionic radii that could show. Here are four different statements given. Let us see which one is the right answer. According to this particular question, option C is the right answer because look at that statement. Among all isoelectronic species, the ionic radii of the anion is more than that of the cation. The size of an anion which increases with the increasing in negative charge and size of the cation that is decreasing with the increasing in positive charge. So ionic radiation decreases from O minus 2 Al3 plus. So according to this particular question, right answer is option C. Now let us go for the next question. Look at this question, guys. Which of the following is isoelectronic? Here are four different combinations given. Which one is called as the isoelectronic? Let us see. So according to this particular question, option C is the right answer, because here Cn minus and CO both are having the same electron, number of electron, Cn minus and CO, carbon monoxide and cyanide. So both are having the same number of electron, which are 14. Number of electrons are 14. So these both are considered to be what? The isoelectronic species. According to this particular question, option C is the right answer. Now let us go for the next question. Look at this next question, guys. The following quantum numbers are possible for how many orbitals? Here n value that is given, that is 3, L value given 2, m value is equal to plus 2. Let us see the right answer. According to this question, you see option A is the right answer, because quantum number, yes, n value that is given as 3 and L value that is given as 2, m value that is given as plus 2. Yes, represent that one of the 5d orbitals, 3d orbitals with, that is S is equal to plus 1 by 2. Yes, so according to the spin quantum number, that is plus or minus, it could be 1 by 2. Either two different spin of the electron could be mentioned, right? So plus 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2. So S value. According to this particular question, option A is the right answer. Now let us go for the next question. Yes, now look at this next question, guys. Set of isoelectronic species is, here are four different set of isoelectronic species given. Let us see the right answer. According to this question, you see option C is the right answer, which have the set of isoelectronic species. The meaning of isoelectronic species, that is nothing but the molecule which contains the same number of electrons. So here we can see that N2CO Cn minus, which is equal to O2 plus 2, that is equal to number of electron, that is 14. Here N2 that is equal to CO is equal to Cn minus is equal to O plus 2. So these all are having the number of electrons for each are 14. So according to this, you see all these different molecules are having the same number of electrons. That is the reason we are saying these all are considered to be isoelectronic species. So according to this question, option C is the right answer. Now let us go for the next question. Okay, now look at this question, guys. The ion that is isoelectronic with CO is, here are four different species given. Which one is isoelectronic with carbon monoxide? Let us see the right answer. So according to this question, you see isoelectronic species are nothing but these are the molecule which are having the same number of electrons. It may be a molecule or it may be ions. So according to this particular question, you see option A is the right answer. That is nothing but CO always equal to Cn minus. So number of electrons for each are 14. So 14 electrons are present. So both are considered to be isoelectronic species. Now let us go for the next question. Look at this question, guys. The orbitals which are called as degenerate when, here are four different reasons given. Let us see the right answer for this question. So according to this question, you see all the statement D is the right answer, because here we can see that the orbitals which have the same energy are said to be degenerate orbitals. So the orbitals which are having the same energy, say for example for p orbital we have p of x, p of y and p of z. So all these three are having the same energy. So it is said to be what? Degenerate orbital. So according to this particular question, option D is the right answer. Now let us go for the next question. Yes, now look at this question, guys. If the electron has the spin quantum number plus 1 by 2 and the magnetic quantum number, that is minus 1, it cannot be present in which of the orbital? So here are four different orbital given. Let us see the right answer. Okay, according to this question, you see option D is the right answer, because m value that is equal to 2 into L plus 1. Yes, that means what? M value which is given here as minus 1. So M value, if you apply this formula and write that minus 1 is equal to 2L plus 1. Yes, so here L is equal to 1. Least value of L is equal to 1. So it cannot be present in S orbital. The least value of L is 1. So least value of L is equal to 0 actually. So it is 1 here. So it cannot be present in S orbital. Yes, in S orbital it cannot be possible. So L should be 0. According to this particular question, option D is the right answer. Now let us go for the next question. Yes, now look at this next question, guys. Which of the following species has 4 lone pairs of electrons? Here are 4 different options given. Let us see the right answer. Okay, now let us write this electronic configuration for chlorine. Outer electronic configuration for chlorine. Okay, so that is 3s2, 3p of x, 3p of y and 3p of z. Okay, let us fill the number of electrons here. 2, 2, 1. Okay, so outer electronic configuration of Cl minus, chlorine ion. Here we are going to write the electronic configuration for chlorine ion. So that is nothing but 3s2, 3p of x2, 3p of y2, 3p of z2. So chlorine minus or chlorine ion which contain 4 lone pairs of the electron. Okay, so according to this particular question, option B is the right answer. Now let us go for the next question. Okay, now look at this next question, guys. An ion has 18 electrons in the outermost shell. It is, here are 4 different options given. Let us see the right answer. Okay. So according to this particular question, option A is the right answer, because you see Cu plus that could contain total number of electrons are 28. That is nothing but 29 plus 1 because of this positively charged. So when it is positively charged, it is going to be losing an electron. That is nothing but 28 electron. Okay, so the electronic configuration of Cu, let us write electronic configuration of Cu plus. Let us write. So this could be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 3d10. Okay, so here you see the third orbital 3s, 3p and 3d, overall it is comprises 18 electron. Okay, right. So according to this particular question, option A is the right answer. Now let us go for the next question. Look at this question, guys. Number of unpaired electrons present in N2 plus, which is, here are 4 different options given. Let us see the right answer. So according to this question, you see option C is the right answer. So nitrogen, that is 7, would be written as electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So nitrogen N2 plus ion. N2 plus ion, here it is positively charged, going to lose 1 electron. So that could be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p of x1. Unpaired electron present in this particular element, you see, that is 1. So 1 electron which is unpaired. So according to this question, option C is the right answer. Yes, so far, guys, we have discussed few numericals from the unit 2 atomic structure in detail, and we will continue this particular unit with a few more numericals in one more video. Until then, thank you, guys.